Picture this. You're deep in the throes of a breakthrough, but you're stuck waiting in line for an atomic force microscope usage time slot. This common struggle faced by many researchers can be draining and, dare we say, stifling innovation. What if there was an affordable solution to unlock full control and flexibility for your nano experiments? Enter the Strømlingo DIY AFM, an affordable solution that puts you in control. This isn't just a piece of hardware, it's an open framework for innovation. You can tweak scanning parameters at will, connect custom signals, and even roll out your own detection systems. Imagine the possibilities. This approach encourages creative exploration and fosters the development of never-before-seen AFM techniques. With DIY AFM, you get to experimentally validate methods and collect publishable data in your own lab on your own schedule. The compact and modular design brings a host of benefits and features. It's not just about owning your own AFM, it's about unleashing your full research potential. No more waiting in queues or adjusting your aspirations to fit inflexible conventional AFMs. Strømlingo DIY AFM is your key to unlock full control and flexibility for your nanoscale experiments. Open source Arduino code allows for simple integration with supplementary instruments, enabling you to conduct your own nanoscale experiments. You can use every kind of probes, even 2x5 micron high-speed AFM probes, something that's often out of reach with conventional AFMs. What about affordability? Strømlingo DIY AFM packs professional-grade resolution, all at less than the cost of a Mac Pro computer. It's no wonder that over 72 scientific publications related to DIY AFM have already been published. Join the innovation movement with Strømlingo DIY AFM that is rapidly expanding the horizons for AFM techniques in every lab.